you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day today. Look, we don't always get it right. Not everything's a winner. So today I am sharing with you, painful though it is, I am sharing with you my 3 worst luxury purchases of 2023. Honestly, I think I got away quite lightly with 3 fails, 3 luxury purchase fails in a whole year. Listen, like I said, we don't always get it right. There are opportunities to buy things. There are times when we see things and we think, oh yeah, things seem to be a good idea at the time. And then they turn out not to be such a good idea. Well, like I said, I've got 3 to share with you. I am very happy to say that on my best purchases, luxury purchases of 2023 list, I've got 5. I've got 5 plus an honourable mention. So stick around with that, but I wanted to get the pain out of the way first. Get the pain out of the way, and then you can tell me what you think of these and if you would agree that they are my worst luxury purchases. I'm wearing the first one, and the first one is, these aren't in any order of importance, because if they were, this would be number 2, right smack bang in the middle of the 3. But I am wearing my Gucci t-shirt, Year of the Rabbit. Wanted this, needed this, had to have this because I am a rabbit. I do actually like the neck. I didn't think I would. I like the sleeve length. Now, the things that I don't like about it are, I don't like the neck. Because the very first time I wore it, I was very careful. I put it on, put my lipstick on and everything. And then I looked down and managed to get lipstick on the inside of the neckline here. And I'm too scared to actually wash this. So I've worn this probably 1.5 times. Make this 2 times for this video. The main reason I don't wear it isn't because of the neck, isn't because of this kind of slightly buttery kind of cream colour. It is because it is super cropped. It is super cropped and your girl is an apple. So I don't tend to wear a lot of really high-waisted stuff because I can't. Terrible usage for 2023, the year of the rabbit, when I should have been running around, bouncing around like a little rabbit, wearing it and going, ooh, look at me, I'm a little rabbit. But maybe 2024 might be slightly better because I have purchased a couple of pairs of trousers that I need to share with you from good old M&S that are slightly more high-waisted, but do seem to work on my shape, on my apple shape. So I'm thinking I might actually wear this with those trousers. So stay tuned for that video because that should be coming up very, very soon. Things I've purchased and how I'm going to style them. So that is my first of 3 worst luxury purchases in 2023, bought at the very beginning of the year. And if you love luxury in all of its glorious forms like I do, even when you get it a little bit wrong, like I do, then please go ahead, hit subscribe and ring my bell so you don't miss out on any of my luxury-based shenanigans. Show the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My second luxury worst purchase of 2023 is also Year of the Rabbit related, and it pains me, this one, because I was supremely excited about it, and it also pains me because it showed up in my husband's The Lion's review of his best and worst of my collection video, which I'll have linked down below. This came up as like the worst. So it is a double whammy. It is not as though the Lion has said this is his least favourite bag in my collection and I can counter that with any, but I use it all the time, kind of protestation, because it just simply isn't true. It simply isn't true. I have only used this bag a couple of times. I still think it's really cute. I do love seeing it on my shelf, and I do love the little embroidered pink and green bunny. It is just so cute. I haven't used it that much. Now, a couple of reasons why. Not particularly the colour because, you know, summer, easy peasy, it's canvas, it's wear it with a white t-shirt, pair of jeans, shorts or whatever, wear it with trainers. That isn't the problem. The problem is the shape of it. The shape of it, and exactly what the lion said about putting it down and it wanting to fall over all the time, although it was doing a fairly good job there. And the fact that it is a north-south shaped bag, and I'm not really your north-south shaped bag kind of gal. Like the look of them, don't like the usage of them. I'm much more of your east-west. I like to open it and have everything visible as opposed to stacked on top of each other. It comes with a very generous length crossbody strap, and there's plenty of room to add extra holes because the holes just make it a bit too tight for me. It's right under the old boobage there. So it comes up a bit too high for me to wear crossbody, which is another sort of against the bag. So she's cute. She sits on my shelves, looking pretty. I smile when I see her. But she's not had a lot of love. Not had a lot of love this year. Probably the least worst purchase all in all. So least worst purchase, second worst purchase. What is going to be the first top most worst purchase of 2023? Again, this was an early in the year purchase. It's got nothing to do with the Lunar New Year. It's not rabbits or anything like that, but I picked it up in the New Year sales. I picked them up in the New Year sales from Harrods. Was it from Harrods? I think I did purchase them from Harrods in the sale, although they are from Versace. And the lion's going to be smiling at this one as well because he hates these with an absolute passion. It is a good thing these weren't part of the review he did of my collection, because he'd have probably burnt them, thrown them out the window, burnt them or something like that. Initially, these were great. The colour, look at the bubblegum pink. The shape of them, the foot was actually shaped, so it was a sock that once you put it on, it stays in the right place. It doesn't move around or anything. So that's a plus point. That was really good. I really liked that. The reason these have come up in my worst purchase, my worst luxury purchase of 2023 is because look at the state of them. Look, I mean, they're not quite threadbare, but they look worn. There's bits of fluff coming off. And I have worn these once out of the house. Admittedly, I wore them when I went to Harrods for the day shopping, and I wore them the first time I wore my Gucci trainers, which was a risk in itself. So I was basically wearing everything new for the first time, knowing that I was going to be on my feet for 6 hours, running around the shops like a little lunatic, and they were comfortable. They were comfortable. I was so happy. But when I tried something on and I had to take my trainers off, these looked shredded already. They looked shredded. I've worn these once out of the house. I've worn them around the house a couple of times. But yeah, disappointing. Really disappointing. To the point where I haven't worn these again. Yeah, I kind of have to say the lion was right. They're not great. They're not great. These are my first foray into luxury hosiery. Socks, tights, anything like that. I've always wanted some luxury tights with like the little Gucci monogram on them or something. But again, I'm apple shaped and those things just aren't built for this shape of gal. So I tried these and I'm really disappointed. Look, just look at them. I am so surprised. They look like they're years old and they've been worn. Loads, look, bits, look. Just, yeah. I mean, they still look great and I love the little tubing and the Versace and the colour and everything. But in terms of a workable piece that I could wear for a big old shopping day, it's a nil point from me. Those are my 3. Praise be to the luxury gods, it is only 3 worst luxury purchases for 2023. Let me know in the comments section down below, did you have, I hope you didn't, but like I said, we don't always get everything right. It's not everything is a win. So if you did have any luxury purchase fails for whatever reason, please do share it in the comments section. Let's all share our experience of these things, because you never know, someone might be looking at one of these and thinking, is that going to work for me? And we might be able to enlighten someone and let them know what the pitfalls might be. So I hope you found this fun, enjoyable, laughing at my mistakes. I hope you were laughing. If you did enjoy this video, please do show it the thumbs up love. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, which will be my best luxury purchases of 2023. Hurrah! Yeah, until I see you on the next video, boop, again, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan dabby dozy, and bye-bye!